and roll, baby. Oh, what a beautiful day. Let's try this fold-out windshield. And the ground is still super squishy. Hey guys, Kapper here, March 1st. Pinch punch to my daughter. We're gonna get outside today. It's just gonna be a kind of a hodgepodge of things. I'm gonna grab the new Polaris. I'm gonna grab the electric chainsaw, some cameras, and we're gonna go clear the trails. And then I'm gonna go up front to the new clearing we've been working on. I'm gonna try to cut some firewood logs. And of course, we'll take a ride in between here and there. I made a new selfie stick, again, a different one. GoPro, so we'll see how that goes. Either way, it's like 55 and sunny. I'll take it. Rock and roll, baby. Oh yeah, so I ordered these fake I ordered the fake seat belt plugs and they don't fit. Wrong size. Universal. Go figure. Alright, so I got a couple chains. I got a new hitch for the back so I could pull them big logs out without doing it from the winch. Safety gear. Now we got to go get the saw, some batteries, and fresh air. Oh, what a beautiful day. Let's try this fold-out windshield. I could already tell it feels a little stiffer than the 19 one. So they may have beefed up these rods or repositioned them a little bit. But man, beautiful. Beautiful. Finally. I might be running down to Virginia. I talked to Greg again this morning. They're going on a trail ride in I think West Virginia maybe. I might go just for a day. Try out, travel, see how it goes. Let's go clear that that one trail first of all. Dropped their antlers yet, so it's kind of a tough call if you want to go in the woods bumping any bucks out. Alright, we'll go from the top. You know, if you want to bump bucks out and then they knock their antlers off and you don't ever get a chance at them. But I've been cooped up a little too long, so guys, don't forget, if you enjoy our stuff, we'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing and share our videos. We really try to share our lifestyle with all of you guys, and hopefully we inspire people to keep pursuing their dreams. So greatly appreciate it. Let's get some more fresh air. All right, we're going to come at this block trail from the top side. That'd be nice, slide down into the pond. Oh boy. Alright, so I am going to I guess I'll pull forward. her cleaned up. See if I can get it without a bigger machine. Forgot my gloves. You know, once you pass 50, it's just like automatic. You're gonna forget something. All right, that's what I call the old-fashioned way. I mean, normally I'll just bring the excavator through the trails, but nice day for a little work, a little fresh air. All right, now we're gonna go around and turn around, cut through the next trail over up to the front. I gotta get more of this riding to decide if I'm gonna move them shocks again, which just them rocks right there makes me think, yeah, I'll probably end up moving them back. Again, back to the drawing board. This was supposed to be an aluminum one, but it's not. There's no way that's aluminum. I mean, you can't even get what you actually order anymore these days. I'll try a different angle while I'm out here. I'm gonna take a breather for a minute. Let me show you what I got. I'm impressed with the Milwaukee so far. And yes, I did tighten my chaps up. So got through these, got to some of these stumps off here, and then I worked my way around back here. Got all these cut. There was a couple, 3 on the ground already. Got this cut. Now I'm working back here. I'm ready to go down to a t-shirt, but I'll wait for a little bit. These cut, got these cherries cut. A couple of these, this is where I left off. I'm just trying to dismantle what I can reach. But that saw has been really good so far. Still on my first battery.